More people have walked on the moon than have reached the deepest point of our own ocean. Beneath the waves lies a world stranger than any alien planet, and we've barely begun to explore it. The ocean covers 70% of our planet, yet more than 80% of it remains unmapped, unexplored, and completely unseen by human eyes. Let's start at the very bottom. The Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean plunges nearly 11 kilometers down deep enough to swallow Mount Everest with room to spare. Down there, the pressure is over 1,000 times what we feel on the surface. It would crush a submarine like a soda can, yet somehow, life still thrives. Only 3 humans have ever reached this bottom of the world. One of them was filmmaker James Cameron, who went alone in a tiny steel sphere. But the trench is just one mystery. Scattered across the ocean floor are towering chimneys called hydrothermal vents, spewing water hot enough to melt lead. No sunlight reaches here, yet entire ecosystems flourish around these vents, powered not by the sun, but by chemicals rising from the Earth's crust itself. Scientists call this chemosynthesis life that doesn't need sunlight at all. It rewired everything we thought we knew about how life on Earth could survive. As you descend past 200 meters, sunlight fades completely. This is the midnight zone, a place of permanent, crushing darkness. To survive here, creatures had to invent their own light. Nearly 90% of deep-sea animals can glow a phenomenon called bioluminescence. Meet the anglerfish, a creature with a glowing lure dangling from its head, luring prey close before striking with needle-sharp teeth. Then there's the vampire squid. Despite its name, it doesn't drink blood. It survives by drifting slowly, wrapped in a cloak, like a living umbrella. Some creatures grow to enormous sizes down here. The giant squid can stretch over 12 meters long, with eyes the size of dinner plates. For centuries, sailors told stories of giant sea monsters attacking ships. Now we know the legendary kraken may have been inspired by a real, elusive giant. In 1997, scientists recorded a mysterious sound from the deep Pacific. They called it the bloop. For years, no one knew what made it. The sound was so loud, it was detected by microphones 5,000 kilometers apart. Some feared it was an unknown creature. The truth turned out to be icy. Scientists eventually confirmed the bloop was caused by massive ice quakes cracking Antarctic ice sheets. Mystery solved, but the ocean keeps generating new ones. When a whale dies, its body sinks to the ocean floor, creating what scientists call a whale fall. It becomes an entire ecosystem, feeding creatures for decades. A single whale fall can sustain life for over 50 years, an entire hidden community thriving in total darkness, built from one creature's final gift. We've also discovered underwater volcanoes, thousands of them, forming entire mountain ranges beneath the waves, many still active and unmapped. One of them, the Kavachi volcano near the Solomon Islands, is so active it's nicknamed Shark Kano because sharks have been found swimming inside its crater. Every year, technology lets us go deeper. New submersibles, robotic explorers, and deep-sea cameras are revealing species science has never named. Scientists estimate that over 2/3 of ocean species remain completely undiscovered. We may know more about the surface of Mars than our own seafloor. The deep ocean isn't empty. It isn't dead. It's one of the last true frontiers left on Earth. Vast, alien, and almost entirely unknown. So, the next time you look at the ocean, remember, beneath that calm blue surface lies a hidden universe, still waiting to be explored.